Hello, I thought I would show you how to make a very easy, how to crochet a very simple friendship bracelet. Here's some friendship bracelets just to show you how they look. I think they're rather pretty. So I'm going to use this lovely green yarn. It's a medium green. Use any colour you fancy, obviously. And I'm going to take the end of my yarn and I'm going to start off with a slip knot. So I'm going to make the loop. Push the yarn up through the middle, so I have another loop in the middle. That's my loop in the middle, and pull it through. Okay, so there's my slip knot, and then I'm going to take my crochet hook and put it through the slip knot and pull it tight. Not too tight, just tight enough so that it slips nice and easily along the crochet hook. And then I'm going to take my yarn, so it's easy to control on my hand. I like to loop it, do it your own way, or however you find it easiest. I like to loop it around my little finger and then put it over my top two fingers so that I can control it like that. But you'll find your own way of doing it. There's no right or wrong way. Now I'm going to start doing chain stitch. So with a chain stitch, I'm going to take my hook and go under the yarn and pull it through the slip knot. So that's the first chain. Again, under the yarn, pull it through the last chain that I made, the last stitch. Under the yarn, pull it through the last stitch. And you can see, if I carry on under the yarn, pull it through the last stitch. Every now and then I'm going to put my finger up, so I'm controlling it still, under the yarn, through the last stitch. And I'm going to do, you can see how I'm making a nice neat chain with my chain stitches. I'm going to do, for my wrist, 27. I've got quite a small wrist, not very small. I'm going to do 27 chains, but you do whatever length you feel you need for your wrist. So far I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So a bit more. Okay, so that's my 27 chain stitches, and you can see I've got a nice neat chain that makes up my bracelet. Now, how am I going to finish this off? So I'm going to cut the yarn with a tail. So if I cut the yarn about here, and then I'm just going to pull it through. Just pull it right through and give it a little pull just to finish that off. Okay, so that's the end of my chain, and there's my friendship bracelet. And then you'll probably need a friend to help you put it on because it's a bit awkward otherwise, but that I will add to my other friendship bracelets there. And that'll make a nice addition. So obviously choose your favourite colours. I've just gone for the primary colours just to make it look nice and bright. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy making those and handing them out to your friends. Bye bye.